Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of instant garlic bread. This is so easy to make and can be made in less time. Let's see how to prepare this garlic bread. I'm going to prepare 4 garlic breads out of sandwich bread. Take 3 tablespoons of soft butter in a mixing bowl. Add in 5 grated garlic. In goes half a teaspoon of red chili flakes. There's no specific measurement for all these ingredients, you can add as much as you need. Add in quarter teaspoon of oregano. I have taken unsalted butter, so I'm adding in little salt. If you're using salt or butter means you can skip adding salt. Add in 1 teaspoon of finely chopped coriander leaf. Mix all the ingredients nicely so that everything combines well. I'm preparing in lesser quantity since this is for only 4 breads. Garlic flavored butter is ready now. Now spread the garlic butter on one side of the bread. Spread in generous quantity of the garlic butter. Next we are going to toast these breads. Heat a griddle pan or any other pan and toast the breads. Apply the garlic butter on the other side of the bread. Toast the breads until it turns slight golden brown color. Delicious flavorful garlic bread is ready to be served now. This is cheesy garlic bread which is prepared from scratch. I have shared this recipe in our channel and leave the link in the description below. I serve this garlic bread with mac and cheese. This is vegetable au gratin. I served it with garlic bread. Do try this garlic bread and share me the feedback. Subscribe my channel for more recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.